Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to connect to your new Wi-Fi router using the IP address 192.168.11.1. The first step is you need to check if you're connected to the proper router, and you can check it here on the right under your Wi-Fi settings. And as you can see, I'm successfully connected to my TP-Link router. Now I need to make sure I'm connected to the right IP address. So go to the search bar and type in CMD for command prompt and press enter. Now type in ipconfig and press enter. And under the default gateway, you can see your new router's IP address. Now you can just copy that IP address, open any kind of browser, and here in the address bar, just paste the IP address and press enter. And here you can see the login page to your router settings. The default login is admin, and also the password, the default one, is most of the times admin. Just type it in, click on login. And here you can see your admin page of your router with different settings on the left side. And for example, if you want to change your IP address of this router, you can go here on the network, click on LAN, and here you can adjust the IP address and then click save. So this is everything for now, and then you can just log out. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.